Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Tab Active 3 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all, the most important thing in this whole video is the internet connection. So make sure that you've got one, Wi-Fi, mobile data, whatever. It will basically, thanks to it, your device will have a chance to actually search for any kind of updates. So after the internet connection, simply enter the settings, and in this left section we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find software update. Basically, if you can see this red dot, it means that something's happening there. So probably you've got some kind of updates, but let's check. Let's simply tap on it, and then here we've got the option download and install. Let's tap on it, and basically after tapping on this option you will be able to meet two different scenarios. This is the first one where you're not up to date, and whenever you can download some kind of updates, your device will of course show you the update information, what has been fixed, what is new. You can simply tap on view all changes and then tap on install now. However, there is also a second scenario when you're up to date. Your device of course will show you that kind of information, that there's nothing to download, everything looks okay, and your system is up to date. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.